Transferring money from Greendot to bank account is very easy to do. Today I'm going to show you how to do it. In order to see how to transfer the money, let's scroll down to the bottom of the page. Here you see transferring money from Greendot to bank account is pretty easy to do. Simply start by logging in to your Greendot account online. Then find the Add Money or Transfer Money section. Once you find such a section, choose the Transfer Money option. Next, enter the bank details where you want to send money. Make sure you enter the correct information. Last but not least, follow the remaining instructions to complete the process. Also, you can transfer money to another Greendot card. This can be done by navigating to the Pay Bills and People section. Then choose Pay People and Send Money. Here, as you have seen, transferring money this way is a straightforward process with a few simple steps that offers convenience and flexibility to users. Greendot, known for its prepaid cards and mobile banking services, simplifies this transaction for its customers. It's essential to keep in mind that there may be fees associated with this transfer, so be sure to check Greendot's fee schedule and account terms to understand any charges you may incur. So, transferring money from a Greendot account to a bank account is a user-friendly process that provides flexibility and accessibility for managing your finances. By following the steps within your Greendot account, you can easily move funds to your linked bank account, making it a convenient option for individuals seeking to access their money when needed.